Hey guys, welcome back to Web3 Money. We will be doing a token research review on Toncoin. This is T-O-N, Ton. We'll be talking about specifically the 2024 year ahead, obviously regarding this token, regarding this project. So, here you could actually see that I wrote an article on web3money.co to talk a little bit more about the Toncoin, the ecosystem, the business developments, the community engagement just over the past couple of years. So the article itself is actually a great resource to do specifically more in-depth research on the topic. Anyway, so as you guys saw in previous videos, the background, team, value proposition, tokenomics, all that stuff. So all this is written inside of this blog, and I think we could go ahead and get started. So Toncoin, or TON, is the native cryptocurrency of the Open Network. Ton, a decentralized layer 1 blockchain originally developed in 2018 by the Telegram messaging app led by brothers Pavel and Nikolai Durov. The project aimed to create a fast, secure, and scalable blockchain network capable of processing millions of transactions per second. This is also a fantastic way to leverage a existing community, existing user base, for example, like Telegram, which has hundreds of millions of users using it every day, and then, creating an infrastructure on top of that. However, Telegram ran into regulatory issues, obviously with the US SEC, over plans to issue the Gram token in an ICO. So this is a bit of history for you guys, which was deemed an unregistered security offering, an ICO. This led to Telegram abandoning the project in 2020. Thanks to Ton's open source nature, independent developers and community members took over and continued development under the Ton Foundation, rebranding it from the Telegram Open Network to the Open Network. This is basically where you see TON, Ton, for Telegram Open Network, and they just kind of rebranded it. So it's a nice way to go ahead about it. Anyway, so we spoke about, the founders, obviously with the Telegram group, but while no longer officially connected to the Telegram, Ton benefits from association with popular messaging app used by hundreds of millions worldwide. Key contributors driving Ton's current development include Anatoly Makosov and Kirill Emelianenko, developers who revived Ton after Telegram withdrew, the Ton Foundation, nonprofit group of supporters overseeing the project, and of course, Newton and Ton community. These are just independent groups of developers, enthusiasts, and whatnot. So why don't we go ahead and talk a little bit more about the value proposition of this token. So the first thing we're going to talk about is decentralized storage. So a very familiar project that we talked about in the past is, Filecoin, which is also in a very mature stage regarding, decentralized storage, and even having the capabilities of having DeFi to earn as you store, so that it actually incentivizes people to participate in the network and the ecosystem. So that's a huge one. Anonymous network, domain name system, instant payment platform, and affordable and fast transaction processing. So this is a little different than the other layer 1 blockchains that a lot of people are obviously talking about, right? So yeah, let's go to coin market cap. Check out, the past couple of days. Okay, so just in the past day, it increased about, 60 cents, which is a pretty high increase. If you look at, the past 7 days or even the past month, there's a significant difference and clearly a break-off point, obviously with the craze that's been going on with crypto and Web3 in general. But we could definitely see that it's on its way to where it was in about 2021, in the previous bull cycle, with a very large market cap. However, the market cap actually has been the biggest as we're progressing around. Just make sure that you guys are interacting with the proper contract if you're using MetaMask or any kind of DeFi protocol out there. We could go ahead and also check their website. So the open network for everyone, for startups, for anyone that needs a decentralized storage or a infrastructure like Telegram to go ahead and get started. So what's interesting here with Ton is that you could actually get the wallet via Telegram. That's literally all you need. You don't need to download some fancy wallet or some separate infrastructure for Web3 to interact with this ecosystem. All you need is Telegram, with that. I think it's pretty cool. So wallet gives you direct and easy access to Ton from the Telegram. Enjoy commission-free crypto transfers to any Telegram user. Retain full control over Toncoin and other digital assets with Ton Space, and seamlessly interact with Web3 apps. So I think that's a really cool feature. It's currently ranked. What did we see on the coin market cap? It is ranking 13. Just wanted to go ahead and double check that, obviously. 13 with $13 billion market cap, extremely high volume. a lot of people are using this. We're going to go ahead and talk about this, very, very shortly. But I think it's pretty cool that, they're in clearly the Telegram ethos, right? So security, identity, anonymity, all these features are something that, people want to go ahead and have, especially when you're inside of Telegram instead of being with WhatsApp or any kind of, platform. So if you guys are interested in this value proposition, in this idea of being anonymous and following the Telegram ethos, and specifically being in the crypto space, then I think Ton is a great it's a great avenue for that. And obviously they have so many users, so imagine the possibility that you could have just by interacting with the ecosystem here. So here you could see that they have mini apps that you could build. There's a gamification within the Telegram app, which I think is really cool. It's a very different, way to go ahead and move away from the App Store. And obviously, DeFi, whether it's, DEXs, loaning or whatnot, we're going to have to see exactly what it is. But it does seem that they've made significant contributions over the past couple of years to have this ecosystem ready for the next bull cycle or for next run. So you guys should definitely check it out, whether you're a developer or you just want to go ahead and be a user inside of this ecosystem. Why don't we check out their roadmap? So upcoming, so stablecoin kit, jet and bridge, collator validation. Okay, so there's a lot of technical, terms that, we're not going to get into it, for the sake of this, call, but it does seem like they're going to be adding some more, currencies, bridges between different, blockchains, especially BTC, which I think is really cool because BTC is, Bitcoin. It's the mother of all coins. And so if you're able to have that, anonymous identity, protect the user first type of, philosophy, especially with Bitcoin, and you have a bridge between that, I think that's an interesting, we'll see exactly what that means in the future, but this is what's upcoming, right? So yeah, I mean, they've been at work. You guys could go ahead and check out, their roadmap. I think that's, really cool. Why don't we go ahead and see what else is on their website? So, okay, so for some reason, I am not able to go ahead and click. Let me refresh that. Okay, that was a visual bug. Okay, so you could get, the wallet, accept payments, apps and services, bridge, domains, the open league. Okay, so you could earn rewards by using the Ton project. Easy to remember addresses. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do this. So apps and services. We're going to go ahead and do staking. And we're going to go ahead and see what we could do with the Get wallet. Okay, so the Get wallet. So wallet, send and receive crypto from any Telegram user. I think this is, the main one that they're actually, talking about. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Okay, so purchase cryptocurrency by, card, exchange, and transfer. Okay, so I don't have Telegram, on my, computer, but I definitely want to go ahead and do that. From what it seems already, it seems like it's going to be a very straightforward, integration message with the wallet itself. Why don't we go ahead and actually Ton wallet, Telegram. Maybe I should do a tutorial on how to actually, use that, but maybe there's some videos out there already. What could this add a wallet to the menu? Add to menu. Okay. So yeah, it seems like you have like this bot that you're speaking to, kind of like Discord or, Telegram itself. And you could just add the extension immediately from the Telegram app without any kind of added technicalities. I think that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll do a technical demo. I think that's, part of the Web3 money type is, helping people use these specific products, no matter how technical it may be, whether it's, super technical or not, but to get them comfortable using these apps without messing up, without tripping up, without being scared. So maybe we'll do a tutorial. If you guys are interested, please let me know. So that's the wallet. We talked about the contact contributing to the network. So this is the proof of stake network from Ton. So you could do it directly in the wallet that we talked about, or you could use these companies that will go ahead and do it for you, and you'll probably pay them a certain fee or whatnot. So there is a way to stake. This is a more technical call that we could do another time as well. Let's go back to the article. Okay, so Toncoin serves multiple key roles in the Ton ecosystem. Now, right now, we're talking about tokenomics, native currency for payments and transaction fees. Let's resume. Okay, so we're talking about tokenomics specifically. Let's go inside of the Ton ecosystem. So native currency for payments and transaction fees, securing the network, through staking, governance by allowing holders to vote on proposals, and gas for smart contract operations. This is a pretty standard, tokenomics model, what it's used for, whatnot. TON had an initial supply of 5 billion coins. In June 2023, the community implemented a real-time burning mechanism that destroys 50% of all transaction fees, decreasing the total supply over time. This deflationary model can benefit TON's long-term value, especially as we increase. So as there's more adoption, there's more transaction fees, there's more burning. Toncoin is listed on several major exchanges like KuCoin, MEX, FTX, all these other ones. TON trades at around right now. It's actually, very, very expensive now compared to what it was a year ago, but $3.68 as the time I'm writing it in. Okay. Community and so it has a very active community of supporters actually, which is really good. You guys should go ahead and check out their Twitter. They also have 800 million Telegram users who could seamlessly interact with TON-based services. So this is like, in terms of its capacity for reach, it's actually crazy. Anyway, so TON is skyrocketing in popularity. This is, from the TON blockchain network in March 8th. So this is 4 days ago. March will be the best time to join the TON community with the Open League incentives program underway and Telegram rolling out rev share in TON to channel creators. And so because I thought that this was an interesting, rewarding program, whatever it may be, why don't we actually look at this? So Telegram, a global messenger with 800 million, active, users. We'll start using TON and TON blockchain exclusively for payments for ads, paying 50% of revenue with channels creators in TON. This is huge, right? In terms of reach, opportunity, whatnot. So Telegram to exclusively use TON for ad payments. Next, the Open League Community Incentives Program just started. LP boosts are live for 11 projects across TON dexes. So the most popular ones is Ston.5, cross-chain DEX with its own security protocol on TON, and DDust.io, also very similar to Ston, but obviously a different exchange with different liquidity pools. So the Open League incentives kick off today. Up to 1 million TON will be distributed to TON community this month. The future of Web3 and community rewards starts now. Okay. Open League Quest launched in January. Level 1 is now finished with 26,000 unique users, all receiving soulbound tokens as a reward and TON-backed incentives. Level 2 is launching very soon, so we should go ahead and check that out, very soon as well. Everyone's been talking about the Toncoin. Some have even copied it. It's a tap to mine clicker game that grown to 26 million users since its New Year's Eve. By far, it's the fastest growing Web3 game and is launching on TON very soon. In the words of their founder, probably had nothing. So I guess we're doing a separate, token review within the token review, type of like an inception vibe that we have here. But essentially, we're going to go ahead and see that just in a bit. I just want to finish this thread. So it's no wonder why everyone is a little bit excited by what's coming to TON. But what about the tech? Well, a public third-party verified performance test proved that TON could reach previously unheard of speeds. 104,000 transactions per second, which is, massive. So they're clearly, wanting and pushing for people to onboard their community. I think, a lot of people are even using Telegram anyway. So this is definitely something that, people should go ahead and check it out. Let's go to the Toncoin. So the Toncoin, 1 million followers. Phase 2, they joined into probably nothing interesting, type of Twitter page. It is not even minted yet. And this was March 11th. We're working hard this weekend to open the Toncoin voucher mint to everyone, plus 40% DAU growth during the last few days. Crazy interest from the community now in the following wall. Okay. So invite friend, 2,500 for you and friend with Telegram Premium, 55. Okay. So Toncoin pre-market is open. Why don't we go ahead and check that out? And also check their Notion. Get gems. Okay. So currently I'm on getgems.io. And on this page right now, Toncoin pre-market is voucher represents the in-game Toncoin currency, which could be exchanged for NOT currency after a token generation event. Please note, for better convenience, we may remove some zeros from the Toncoin balances and vouchers when converting to NOT. No one likes counting to 0.00s in the price of token anyways. It's a visual change that will not affect the user's wealth value anyways. Okay, so it does seem... So... Okay, is this like a kind of like an NFT for sale? Let's see what's for sale. NFT price 64, creator royalties 12.1. Okay, your pay. So 65 ton. So if we go ahead and actually use the price of ton and we do 65, so $240 for this NFT. And this NFT apparently vouches that I will have 10 million in the Notcoin pre-market. Which is, very interesting. Obviously there's, different 6.4 ton per million not. So if you guys are interested, obviously this is not financial advice. I'm just, doing some research here as well. If you guys are interested, to go ahead and go to getgems.io, you guys could definitely go ahead and do that. But it does seem like a lot of people are interested. So let's see the history. So there have been, in the last 30 days, 889 sales. So 889 NFTs have been sold in the pre-market. I mean, this just got released. People apparently started buying this March 7th. So this is 5 days ago. And it's kind of like, went down a little bit. It's just, obviously the beginning. But if you guys are interested and you want to get this voucher, you guys should definitely check it out. 26 million users, 1 million followers on Twitter. Notcoin seems to be a very infant project, especially being associated with a ton growth trajectory. So why don't we go, are they even on CoinMarketCap? Let's go ahead and check. Notcoin. Okay, so they're not. Nothing is listed, obviously. Not, I'm bullish on not. Who knows? Maybe this is an interesting, project. Definitely need to be doing more research on this. If you guys have any, comments or you want to start a conversation on the Notcoin, or if you guys heard about it or whatnot, please do let me know. Let's go to their website here just to check the message. So nothing here. I mean, it's a Telegram group, but we'll go ahead and check that out on the phone. They obviously have a referral program. Okay, so let's check out their Notion. Notcoin pre-market. So trade Notcoin via vouchers before the token launch. Notcoin voucher is a way to start trading Notcoin from your virtual gaming balance before tokens are released on the blockchain and gain or not value. Only Notcoin players could issue the vouchers peer-to-peer and set the selling price on GetGems. After the Not token launch, voucher holders can exchange them for Not tokens, or they can wait till the token launch and convert their balances to Not directly. No one knows what the price of Not would be. The listing price may even be zero, so take this into account when trading vouchers. Pre-market supports Not listings via royalties. 20% from the NFT purchases will go to the liquidity for the other token listings. They have the official channel that you guys should check it out, how it works. To convert Notcoin from your balance into vouchers NFT, you need to issue them via the Notcoin bot inside of Telegram. So do follow the steps, step by step. Don't try to, listen to anyone about anything that is not within this website or the official Twitter page. So it gives you the step-by-step guide, exactly what you need to do. Or if you have nothing to do with this and you're just wanting a voucher, then you could buy it in the, in the market right now for these vouchers before they're even released in the market, and you'll have 10 million, Not coins, whatever it may be. Anyway, so this was actually an interesting development inside of this video. Developers and ecosystem. So we move away from the community and adoption. We moved away from the tokenomics. Then we obviously look at, the different parts of the ecosystem that we, saw a little bit when it comes to staking platforms, NFT marketplaces like Fragment, or games like Notcoin like we just did. And of course, we saw a little bit of the roadmap, which has a lot of technicalities, but also some bridges and added currencies that they'll be adding to their functionality. So ultimately, Ton aims to become a decentralized WeChat-like super app platform combining messaging, payments, DeFi, and more for the masses. With its strong fundamentals, devoted community, and ties to Telegram, Ton is well positioned to make waves in the blockchain space long term. Personally, I think because I have Telegram and you probably also do, I think it doesn't hurt to just add the wallet and just interact, regularly. Start, interacting with people on Twitter, Farcaster, Warpcaster, or any other, community out there. I think that's really cool. I think it's a really cool functionality. Maybe WhatsApp should, pay attention and follow the lead. But definitely a lot of good things happening for 2024. Increased transaction throughput to 100,000 TPS. Onboarded 1 billion active users. 1 billion plus TVL for Ton DeFi. 100 plus dApps with 1 million users, and solidified Ton as a top 10 blockchain by usage. So guys, thank you so much for following this Web3 money special on Ton. If you guys are more interested in any kind of token research, I do some daily. I also do NFT reviews. If you guys have a specific project that you want me to do, please do let me know in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.